If you're thinking about getting SerpSling AI, stop for a second, because this tool can either help you find low competition keywords fast or be a complete waste of money depending on how you use it. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how SerpSling works, a full demo inside the platform, and whether it's actually worth it in 2026. And yes, if you decide to get it, I'll also give you 3 custom bonuses that will help you get results faster. But first, let's see what this tool actually does. SerpSling is designed to simplify keyword research by helping you find low competition opportunities without spending hours doing manual research. It gives you data-driven insights so you can target the right keywords and potentially rank faster, even if you're just starting out. Now, let me show you inside the platform. So now you've seen exactly how SerpSling works.
Okay, let's go. I'm glad you've taken a few minutes to watch this video. By now, you have a better idea about what AEO is and how it works. And you know this is a ground floor opportunity. So in the next few minutes, I'm going to pull back the curtain and show you exactly how SerpSling AI works. And I'm not just going to tell you it's simple. I'm going to show you, step by step, click by click, so you can see for yourself just how done for you we've made this entire process. And here's what I want you to keep in mind while you're watching this. Every single thing I'm about to show you is something that agencies are charging anywhere from $500 to $2,000 per month to do for their clients. And most of them don't even have an automated system to do it. They're doing it manually, guessing, and charging a fortune. You're about to see how our AI agent does all of it for you in minutes. So pay close attention. Let's dive in. All right, so the first thing you're going to do once you log in to SerpSling AI is run an audit. And this is where it all starts. Think of the audit like getting an X-ray of your website, but instead of checking for broken bones, our AI is scanning for every single reason why AI search engines are ignoring you right now. Because here's the thing most people don't realize. You could have a beautiful website. You could have 5-star reviews. You could have been in business for 20 years. And ChatGPT will still skip right over you if your site isn't optimized for the 5 AEO signals. So let me show you how this works. You simply enter your URL right here. Enter your business name. Select your business location, link your Google business profile, or leave it blank if you're not a location-based business, and hit Start Audit. And within minutes, our AI agent goes to work. It's checking your schema markup, your EEAT signals, your content structure, your entity consistency, your reviews and citations. All 5 of the signals that AI search engines use to decide who gets recommended. And boom, just like that, you get your full AI visibility report. Right here, you can see your overall score. And more importantly, you can see exactly where the gaps are. Red means that signal is hurting you. Green means you're good. Now here's where this gets really powerful. See this button right here? One click, and SerpSling generates a professional, white-label PDF report. Why does that matter? Well, if you're using this for clients, and you should be, this report alone is worth $500. You can literally run this audit on any local business in your area. Send them this report and say, hey, I found some issues that are keeping you invisible in AI search. Want me to fix them? That's a conversation that leads to $500 to $1,000 per month recurring from a report that took you 2 minutes to generate. Talk about a no-brainer, right? But we're just getting started. Okay, so now you know what's broken. But here's where most people get stuck. Because knowing what's wrong and actually fixing it, 2 completely different things. If you tried to fix these manually, you'd need to understand structured schema markup, JSON LD, entity graphs, LLM-ready content formatting, and more. Yep, it sounds just as painful as it is. And that's exactly why agencies can charge so much for this, because nobody knows how to do it. Until now. And right here, this is where it gets crazy. Our AI content generator is creating fully optimized, answer-first content designed specifically for how AI engines process and recommend information. This isn't your typical SEO blog post. This is content that's formatted and structured so that when someone asks ChatGPT, who's the best plumber in West Miami, your client's site, or yours, is the one that gets cited. It creates FAQ blocks, why choose us sections, location-specific content, all in a format that AI search engines love. And it does it in seconds. And check this out. It's also scanning your entity consistency. That means it's making sure your business name, your address, your contact info, your brand identity is all consistent across every signal. Because if ChatGPT finds conflicting information about your business, it won't recommend you, period. Our agent finds those conflicts and fixes them. Now think about this for a second. What I just showed you, the schema generation, the content creation, the entity optimization, an agency would charge you months of work and thousands of dollars for what our AI agent just did in a few clicks. I'm not exaggerating. We specifically built this so you never have to touch the technical side. Ever. Phase 3 is deploy. With one click, your optimizations go live in seconds, effortlessly securing your new rank. Watch this. From your audit results, you just click Fix this issue right here. And our AI agent takes over. It's not giving you a to-do list. It's not giving you suggestions. It's actually doing the work. Right here, it's generating your schema markup automatically. Local business schema, FAQ schema, product schema, whatever your site needs. You don't have to write a single line of code. You don't even have to know what schema is. Our AI figures out what you need and builds it for you. And now watch how simple this is too. You click Deploy. Right here. Select your site, and if you're on WordPress, our AI Booster plugin handles everything. The plugin injects all of your optimized schema, your content, your entity signals, directly into your site, invisibly, behind the scenes, without breaking anything. Your visitors don't see it. Google doesn't get confused by it. But AI search engines, they see everything, and they love it. It's like giving ChatGPT and Perplexity a VIP backstage pass to your website. One click and you're live. And just like that, you've gone from invisible to recommended. And one more thing I want to show you here. After deployment, you can generate another white label report showing your client exactly what was done, what was optimized, and the before and after. This is how you justify that monthly retainer. You send them this report every month, and they see real work being done on their behalf. That's how you keep clients paying you $500 to $1,000 per month, month after month after month. And now, let's zoom out for a second, because what I just showed you is powerful on its own, but I need to make sure you understand the full picture here. This isn't just about a cool app. This is about timing. Right now, fewer than 12% of businesses even know what AEO is, let alone have done anything about it. That means 88% of businesses in virtually every niche are completely invisible to AI search. They have no idea they're losing customers every single day because ChatGPT, Claude, and Perplexity are recommending their competitors instead. Can you imagine what it was like to be one of the first people offering SEO services back in the early days of Google, when nobody knew what it was, and the people who did know were making an absolute fortune? That's exactly where we are right now with AEO. Except this time, you have something those early SEO pioneers didn't have. You have a fully automated AI agent that does all the hard work for you. You don't need to be an expert. You don't need years of experience. You don't need to understand code or schema or any of that technical stuff. SerpSling AI handles everything. All you need to do is show up, run the system, and collect the results. Whether that's ranking your own sites for free buyer intent traffic or charging clients $500 to $1,000 per month to do it for them. The window is wide open, but I need to be honest with you, it won't be open forever. In 12 months, everyone will be talking about AEO. The agencies will catch up, the competition will flood in, and the gold rush will be over. Right now, you're early, you're ahead, and you have the tool to take full advantage. So let me quickly break down everything you're getting inside your SerpSling AI account. Because it's not just the 3-step system, you're also getting the AI Visibility Auditor, scan any site and know exactly where they stand. The full LLM optimization engine, automated fixes for all 5 AEO signals. The AI Content Generator, this creates answer first, AI-optimized content in any niche, any language. Smart Schema Deployment. This comes with all the most vital pre-built schema types, injected invisibly through our WordPress plugin. One-click publishing. Go from optimized to content on your site in seconds. White label client reports, professional PDF reports you can brand as your own. The Compare tool. Audit multiple sites side by side to show clients exactly how they stack up against competitors. Multi-language content creation works in any language for any market. Plus the full SerpSling SEO suite, keyword research, competition analysis, backlink analysis, rank tracking, and our high-ticket affiliate offer finder. And on top of all that, we're including 9 launch bonuses, agency rights, so you can sell this as a service from day one. Our zero-code schema toolkit, our 30-plus AI search-ready niches cheat sheet so you know exactly which niches to target. Our AI search monetization blueprints, our done-for-you AI SEO services brochure you can literally send to potential clients tomorrow. Our LLM content cheat sheet, our AI SEO cold email templates to land your first clients fast, and more. We're talking over $1,000 in total bonus value, included free when you grab your access right now. So let's bring this all the way home. You've seen how the audit works, how it finds every gap in seconds. You've seen how the optimization engine fixes everything for you, automatically. No coding, no guessing. You've seen how one-click deployment takes you from invisible to recommended, just like that. And you've seen the massive opportunity that's sitting right in front of you right now, an opportunity that most marketers don't even know exists yet. The question isn't whether AEO works. The case studies prove it. The question isn't whether SerpSling AI makes it easy. You just watched me do it. The only real question is, do you want to be one of the first businesses dominating AI search and move first, or be one of the ones trying to catch up next year and wait and watch? Lock in your access at the best deal we will ever offer. Click the button below to get started. You are protected by our money-back guarantee, so there is zero risk.
Here's the truth. If you're a beginner or someone struggling to find low-competition keywords, this tool can definitely save you time and help you move faster. But if you already have advanced SEO strategies, you might not need something like this. Now, if you decide to get SerpSling, I'm also including 3 exclusive bonuses that will help you maximize your results. Bonus 1, Keyword Mastery Checklist. This helps you quickly find profitable keywords without wasting time. Bonus 2, Keyword Analysis Video Series. This shows you step-by-step how to actually use SerpSling for results. Bonus 3, Competitor Keyword Swipe File. This gives you proven keywords your competitors are already using. These bonuses are designed to help you actually get results, not just use the tool. You can find a link in the description or in the first pinned comment. These bonuses are only available through my link, so make sure to secure them before they're gone. Click the link below and get started.